Hello, second grade. Happy Friday. You made it. I'm really excited for today because we get to take all the things that we've learned about robots and we get to do something creative. So your assignment on Class Kick today for our reading is that I want you to think of a problem. Think of a problem. Like my problem is I hate folding laundry. So I'm going to build a robot that folds my laundry. So what I want you to do is go through these same steps that I'm about to go to. So you're going to go to Class Kick and you're going to type, the problem I'm trying to solve is folding laundry, but you're going to come up with your own problem. So then I would write that my robot would need like arms. So I would want my robot to have arms and legs because I think that if it had wheels or like a track, that the laundry would get tangled inside of that. So they need to have arms so they can fold it and so it doesn't get wrinkled. So I would write about that, about how my robot would move. I would write what problem it would solve. And then I would write how it works. So I would kind of explain my process of designing my robot. So I want you to think of all those things. What problem does it solve? How would it move? Who would it help? And then below it, I want you to use the pencil function on Class Kick to draw a picture or a sketch of what your robot would look like. Okay, great. For math today, we're going to do a quick review and you will have some questions on Class Kick as well. Okay, awesome, second grade. So we are going to look here and we are going to go through these questions together. Number 1 says, which repeated addition sentence matches the picture below? Answer the question. Okay, so I have 3 groups and there are 4 cookies in each group. So that is 3 groups of 4, or 4 plus 4 plus 4. So my answer would be C. Good. Number 2, there are 2 cookie jars. Each cookie jar has 7 cookies. How many cookies are there in total? So I know that this is 2 times 7, or 7 plus 7 if I'm doing repeated addition, and I know that 7 plus 7 is 14. Awesome. Okay, number 3 is a really interesting question. It said, does the picture below show equal groups? So we need to make sure that each cookie jar has an equal amount of cookies. So I can see that this one has 6, this one has 6, this one has 6, but this one has 7. So this is not equal groups, and this is not an example of multiplication. Number 4 also said, does this picture show equal groups? We have 5 here and 5 here, so the answer would be yes. Number 5, which multiplication equation matches the picture? Okay, so the first thing I need to figure out is how many groups I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. So that means I can automatically eliminate A from my answers because it only has 4 groups. So now let's see how many fish are in each fishbowl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 5 groups of 6. So that narrows it down to C and D. So now I need to know how many fish are in the bowls all together. So let's add them up. So I know 6 plus 6 is 12, and 12 here. So that gives us 24 plus 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. Carry the 1, and that would be 30. So I have my answer here. 5 times 6 is 30. Great job, second grade. Great job. Uh-oh. Number 6, there are 6 bugs. Each bug has 2 spots. How many spots were there total? Second grade, yesterday we talked about how when you're multiplying by 5, you can count by 5s. You can do the same thing with 2s. But you can just count by 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. There are 12 total. 6 times 2 equals 12. All right, number 7 here says draw a picture that matches the equation and answer 3 times 3. So that means 3 groups of 3. And I know that 3 plus 3 is 6, and 6 plus 3 is 9. So 3 times 3 equals 9. All right, second grade, great job this week. You guys did awesome. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you on Monday. Bye.